Today we are here to talk about sanitizing the self. As we are all aware that sanitization has become such a common word nowadays. We say sanitize again and again, wear your mask, and maintain social distancing. So these are the three key terms we use in order to prevent ourselves from this pandemic called COVID-19. So that's very good, friends. We have been doing and we have to do it. Otherwise, also, we are supposed to wash our hands and maintain the standards of cleanliness. But I want to tell all of you that just washing hands may not work. We have to also wash our heart and also wash our head. And together with that, we have to also wash our mind. Because when we say life, what is life, friends? Because I may be interacting with all of you. So let me ask who would like to answer what is life? कौन है देखो दीपिका बहन. Yes. Friends, what is life? Who would answer? Shashi ji, what is life? Okay, very good. But you become very serious, Shashi ji. Not smiling. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else?
लाइफ इज प्रसन्नता के साथ शांति के साथ जो जीवन बिताया जाता है वही असली लाइफ है.
Oh, wonderful. Very philosophical answer. आप ब्रह्मा कुमारीज में तो नहीं है भाई साहब?
नहीं सर, पहली बार आपके सोचने से मौका मिला है मेरे.
Thank you very much. What's your name?
सर राजेश्वरी मीना.
Oh, wonderful. Meena means from Rajasthan.
यस सर.
And Rajasthan, Mount Abu is our global headquarters also.
यस सर.
Very good. Anybody else would like to tell me what is life? Eco हो रही है दीपिका बहन. Eco. Yes. जी. आ नहीं रहे इसमें. Yes, please. What is life? Is it out of syllabus? Please come up. Because I want to make all of you part of the program, please. Giridhar ji. Giridhar ji.
लाइफ इज एंजॉयमेंट.
Ji. I could not hear it.
सर लाइफ इज सो हैप्पी. इट्स कीप अस हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी.
Okay. Very good. Any other answer? Maybe the last. What is life, friends?
स्माइल एंड हेल्थी.
But really, do we smile? आप तो अभी भी बहुत गंभीर हो गए हैं.
नहीं गंभीर की बात नहीं है. ये हमारे ट्राई की इफ यू स्माइल इट विल बी हैप्पी.
Okay, very good. So, friends, you're very correct, you're very right that life is a smile, life is to live in the present. What I've learned in Brahma Kumaris and in spirituality, that life contains two major components. One is hardware, the other one is software. So, what has gone wrong with all of us today, friends? We are taking care so much of our hardware part, but we have totally ignored our software part. So, when I say sanitizing the self, means I have to take care of my software part as well. I give an example. Suppose a gentleman, let me say Shashidharji, his name I remember, is having a wonderful car, let's say Mercedes Benz. Okay, Shashidharji, you agree with me? Let's presume like this. Okay? So Shashidharji is having a wonderful car, that is a Mercedes Benz, but his driver is inexperienced. So what will happen? What will happen, friends? Yes? Out of syllabus?
No, sir, there may be accident. अगर driver का accident may be there.
I think voice is not that clear. मुझे आती है, पता नहीं. Hello?
Your life is a concept with somebody's mind. That's it.
Okay. Okay. And what else? Your car is perfect. Your driver is inexperienced.
So there may be reason for the accident also.
Oh, yes. Very good. So, friends, he has rightly said that there will be accident. So, if I see my life, what is happening in my life? I shout, I cry, I quarrel, I fight, I get irritated, I get tense, I get insomnia, I get depression, I get anxiety, all accidents. And then I'm expert in blame game. I say it's because of my boss. I say this is because of my spouse. I say this is because of my neighbor. I say this is because of my colleague. But friends, let me tell you, this is not because of my spouse, my neighbor, my boss, my colleague. This is all because of me only. And the prime reason is that my car is perfect. This is Mercedes Benz, but my driver is inexperienced. Mercedes गाड़ी है और driver अनाड़ी है. So when I say sanitizing the self means Mercedes गाड़ी और driver should be खिलाड़ी, experienced. So there should be a balance. And when I am having balance in my life, then I receive blessings of others. And then I smile. Then I can do more work in less time. Then what happens? There could be problem outside, but still I smile. Because problem is outside. Problem is not inside. What is happening today? I am having lot of fear. Since morning till evening, if you see yesterday, I just give an example. Yesterday, since morning till evening, how many times we might have said Corona, 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 COVID-19, COVID-19, COVID-19. Why? Because the moment I get up in the morning, I see my mobile, WhatsApp, newspaper, TV network, internet, everywhere Corona, Corona, Corona. So now you can very well imagine that a country with a population of nearly 140 crore, and since morning till evening, if they generate negative energy, what will happen? Can you imagine? What will happen, Shashidharji? Yes, I want to interact with all of you, please. If 140 crore people in this wonderful country, and since morning till evening till night they keep talking about Corona, 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 so what kind of energy we are generating is all low energy. This is all negative energy. So friends, low energy, negative energy is depleting my energy here. And that is the reason that I hardly smile. If I can see their faces. If you can put your video on, please, because I still want to interact with all of you. We hardly smile. Yes, please put your video on. No problem. Yes. जल्दी से वीडियो ऑन करें सभी. मीना जी. हाँ? मीना जी. कुछ बोलते नहीं हैं. You are observing silence today, please. I was reading somewhere a small child smiles only 400 times a day. Now, question is, how many times do I smile? It's very difficult.
Sir, difficult there. Yeah. Yes, you, sir. We cannot see you. There was some network problem, I understand, beforehand.
So now it is okay? Oh, it has gone. It has gone down.
No, it is okay now, sir.
It is okay. Okay, no problem. Internet may work sometime. Internet may not work sometime, but my inner net should always work. Yes, there's a big difference between internet and inner net. Is it okay now? Yes. If you don't answer, probably I think that you are not able to understand me, or I'm not audible.
Perfectly audible, sir. Please go ahead.
Okay. So internet may go down, internet may come, there is no problem. But I say my inner net should always be okay. What is the meaning? Yes.
सर आपने को परिस्थिति देखो ना सर वो क्लियर करो.
I should never ever be down here. I should never ever create negative energy here, right, friends? So if I talk to someone since morning till evening, what is the talk? Corona, corona, corona. And if I just check WhatsApp, what is the message there? Corona, corona, corona. So friends, we are creating negative energy all around us. So when I say sanitizing the self, today onwards, we will just reverse this process. We will say, I am okay. Possible? Possible? I am okay. When I say I am okay, what is the meaning? I am okay means I am recharging myself here. I am increasing my immunity. I am trying to live in the higher energy. So when I increase my immunity, when I live in the higher energy, when I create positive energy all the time, then this results in always having a smile on my face. Okay? So when I say sanitizing the self means I have to always see what kind of energy I am creating, what kind of energy I am generating. Okay? And this energy is very much in my hands because this is my mind. I can think negative, I can think positive. Okay? So, this is my perception. How do I perceive the things? So, when I say sanitizing the self means always, always think positive. Okay? And for that, morning time is the best. So whatever time you get up in the morning, friends, I am always up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So maybe for half an hour, maybe for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, let me start my day by having little meditation. Meditation means little positive thinking. Positive thinking means let me see my own qualities. Let me see qualities of my spouse. Let me see qualities in my small kid. Let me see a quality in my neighbor. So what happens when I see quality in others, that quality comes in me. When I see quality in others, then my energy level goes up. ठीक है? They are able to. You can hear me? Am I audible? You're not putting your video on, please. If you don't mind, you put your video on. Yes. I want to see your faces, Please put your video on. Let me see the names from here. Harsh Vijay ji, can you put your video on? Harsh Vijay. Next. Yes, please don't shy. Rajendra Kaur, put your video on. Yes. Next. Ramanjay. Am I audible to you? Mr. Bhatia, kindly put your video on. What has happened?
Actually, some of us are joined from the office and there is a webcam unavailability. That is why only the audio would be on in most of the cases.
And what about others?
Others who join from the mobile phone or laptop, they can switch on their video, sir.
Yeah, please do it.
Yeah, just ensure you are muted. Audio should be off, but video, if possible, please switch it on so that it becomes more interactive.
Yeah, I want to interact with all of you. I'm not able to understand whether they are hearing me or not. Yes, please.
Yeah, we are listening, sir. Kindly keep on continuing, sir.
No, I cannot proceed like this. I want to see your face, please.
Yeah, please go.
Please come up.
I am okay, sir. I am okay.
I'm not able to see.
Wherever is possible, wherever possible, please.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Wherever this is possible, please switch your video. Put your video on. Otherwise, it is only one-way communication, that's all. Okay, anyway, so I just want to tell you, friends, how do I sanitize myself? When I say myself means the software part. Today my mood is not okay. Many a times during day I say, so my mood is not part of the hardware. My mood is part of the software. I say concentration power, decisioning power, willpower, self-confidence, all these powers are not part of the hardware, they are part of the software. So if I really want to fight this pandemic, and I have to develop inner powers, for that I have to explore and experience my inner self. And for that, morning time is the best. Whatever time you get up, earlier you get up, better it is. Maybe 4 o'clock, 4:30, 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock. And soon after getting up, no gadgets please. We will do this experiment only for 1 week. Today is Friday. Let's do this experiment for next 7 days until next Friday. That morning, whatever time I get up, for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe half an hour, no gadgets. Let me talk to myself. Let me make myself positive. Let me sanitize my mind. Let me sanitize my heart. Let me sanitize my head. Okay? In the morning, medical science has proved whatever time you get up in the morning, the first 1 hour, the first half an hour, medical science says, is golden hour of the day. That time is very important. Therefore we say in India, आज सवेरे पता नहीं किसका मुंह देखा, आज का दिन बहुत खराब गया. आज तो मैंने किसी बहुत अच्छे व्यक्ति का मुंह देखा, आज मेरा दिन बहुत अच्छा गया. So friends, there is no other logic than that whatever time you get up in the morning, whatever energy you create here, that lasts rest of the day. So let me create high energy here in the morning when I am up. Okay? And no gadgets. Because the moment gadget is there in my hand, my energy starts depleting from here. Okay? I always say, दुनिया वालों से बात करने के लिए फ़ोन की ज़रूरत है और स्वयं से बात करने के लिए मौन की ज़रूरत है. फ़ोन के लिए बिल चाहिए, मौन के लिए दिल चाहिए. So let me observe silence only for 5 minutes, 10 minutes in the morning, whatever time I get up. This is sanitizing the self. This is what you are increasing your immunity. This is what you are energizing yourself. Okay? There is another saying in India, जो सवेरे जल्दी उठते हैं, जो सवेरे सूरज उगने से पहले उठते हैं, उनका भाग्य उठ जाता है, और जो सूरज उगने के बाद उठते हैं, उनका भाग्य सो जाता है. So second experiment I would do in my life, only for 1 week, that tomorrow I will try to get up before sunrise. Okay? Okay friends? This is how I can sanitize myself. I can make myself sensible. Okay? And the third thing tomorrow I am going to do is, only for 1 week, Friday to next Friday, I will make my office and my home anger-free zone. Okay? I will make my office, my home anger-free zone. Okay? Then what kind of energy I am going to create at my office, in my office, at my home? I will make my home, I will convert my office into smiling zone. Okay? Medical science says when you smile, you need no makeup on your face. My smile is my best makeup. This is the reason I want to see your faces, but you are not putting your videos on. किसने किया है वीडियो ऑन? मुझे दिखता नहीं. गिरिधर जी, you are not smiling, Girdhar ji. Okay. Yeah, I can see the you are looking so handsome now, please. So keep smiling. Okay. Okay. I may ask you because I have noted down your mobile number. I may call you tomorrow morning.
Well, we can do that.
Okay, so I have to keep smiling. No anger. I have to make my office and my home anger-free zone. Right? And my office and my home, I have to always make smiling zone. Okay, when I was a child, you may not believe, I used to smile 400 times a day. Even you also. If I ask you today, how many times you smile in a day, madam? Let me ask madam. श्रेष्ठा जी, आप बहुत गंभीर हो गई हैं. आप गौतम गंभीर से मिलके तो नहीं आए? थैंक गॉड, थोड़ी स्माइल तो आई. बताइए, व्हाट डिड आई आस्क यू? बताइए, कल कितने बारी स्माइल किया आपने मैडम? आउट ऑफ सिलेबस? सी, आपने EIL क्यों ज्वाइन की? ताकि आपको खुशी मिले. यस और नो? यू वांट योर प्रमोशन व्हाट फॉर? आपको खुशी मिले. आपको नए कपड़े चाहिए व्हाट फॉर? खुशी मिले. यू वांट टू परचेज अ हाउस ताकि आपको खुशी मिले. बट आई हार्डली स्माइल, सो व्हाट इज द पॉइंट? ओके, so madam, today onwards you have to make your office, your home a smiling zone. Possible? How? Out of syllabus? Okay, let me ask someone else in blue shirt. Niche. Shashidhar ji, I'm asking you again and again. Sorry, don't mind. Okay, how come a small child smiles all the time? What is the reason, Shashidhar ji? और हम कहाँ रहते हैं? Okay. Very correct. So if I have to learn how to smile, I have to learn how to live in the present. This is what sanitizing the self is. Because past is history and future is mystery. Past is history, future is mystery, and present is presentation for me from God. Okay? So really, if you want to do more work in less time, you learn how to stay in the present. Past सपना है और फ्यूचर कल्पना है, लेकिन वर्तमान तो मेरा अपना है. तो मुझे कहाँ रहना है? यहाँ पे कैसे देखूँ, इनको कैसे बोलूँ, बताइए जी, बोलिए. पास्ट सपना है और फ्यूचर कल्पना है और वर्तमान मेरा, तो मुझे कहाँ रहना है? लेकिन रहता कहाँ हूं? That is the problem. Okay, So when I say sanitizing the self means, let me try to live in the present. What do I do of my past? बताइए किससे पूछूं? Whom do I ask? Whom do I ask? I'm not able to read your names from here. हाँ जी, किससे पूछें? अमन प्रसाद? अमर प्रसाद जी? अमर प्रसाद जी, गुड मॉर्निंग. यस अमर जी. अमर जी, गुड मॉर्निंग. नेक्स्ट संजय कुमार जी, गुड मॉर्निंग. माय गुडनेस. नेक्स्ट. गुड मॉर्निंग संजय जी, कहाँ चले गए? नाराज तो नहीं है? अच्छा कृष्ण जी, राधे जी कहाँ हैं? ओके ओके. बताइए कृष्ण जी, व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन आई आस्क्ड यू? बताइए. व्हाट डू आई डू ऑफ माई गुड मोमेंट ऑफ पास्ट? पुट योर वीडियो ऑन. कृष्ण जी वीडियो ऑन करिए. सुनिए. हाँ जी, अभी आपका मुस्कुराता चेहरा मेरे सामने आया. थैंक यू. बताइए. What do I do of my good moments of past?
What should I do for good moment of my past, sir?
जी.
Sir, we should keep themselves in our memory.
Okay.
We should retain them always. Enjoy our past moment and plan for betterment of future, keeping into the past. Past का जो history है उसको remind करके
जी.
future कुछ से सब plan करना है sir.
Very good. So, past can be a point of reference. Please pay attention. Past can be a point of reference, but past cannot be my residence. Okay? Why I don't smile? Because either I live in the past or I live in the future. No smile. My face has become pale. My head has become bald. Why? Because I am always worrying either of my past or of my future. A child smiles 400 times a day because child always lives in the present. Okay? So, past, what do I do, friends? Don't forget, past can be a point of reference. Let me take a reference from the past and then move on. Past can be a point of reference, but past cannot be my residence. What do I do of my future? Okay? Future. Please pay attention. Future, think globally and act locally. Think globally and act locally. I do it other way around. That will never ever happen. I won't be able to smile. There'll be a lot of tension in my life. Okay? You may not believe, a research has been done on our thinking pattern. And researchers, they say, on an average, 90% of our time we either live in the past or we live in the future. Only 5% in the present. Okay? So if I want to really smile, if I really want to enjoy my life, if I really want to make some contribution to my organization, if I want to make my organization Maharatna, all of you want to make your organization Maharatna? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
बहुत सोच सोच के बोल रहे हैं, क्या हुआ? यू डोंट वांट टू मेक EIL महारत्ना कंपनी? ओके, बहुत ढीले से बोल रहे हैं, कहते बन जाएगी बनेगी तो क्या है, हमारी जिंदगी तो कट गई, हमें क्या करना है? नो फ्रेंड्स। ओके, देशमुख जी, देशमुख जी, आई थिंक ही इज देशमुख ना, नीचे जी, शशिधर जी, सॉरी। बन जाएगी कंपनी, बननी होगी तो महारत्ना, मेरी जिंदगी कट जाए, मुझे क्या करना है? लाइक दिस।
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता।
आप बहुत
हमारा इंडिया का सब कुछ बढ़ते गए तरीके से हम आप और भी और अच्छा ग्लोबली और टाइम कर सकते हैं।
यू हैव बिकम वेरी सीरियस। शशिधर जी, क्या हुआ? डोंट बी सीरियस, ओके। एंड शशिधर जी, महारत्ना, मेकिंग EIL महारत्ना इज नॉट माई ऑब्जेक्टिव. I've got something else in my mind. Shall I tell you? Shall I tell you? I want to make EIL Vishwaratna. अब जरा ताली बजाइए प्लीज. And friends, pay attention. If you people are committed, you people are dedicated, you people are sincere, you people are honest, EIL can definitely become Vishwaratna. Yes. कोई काम नहीं है मुश्किल जब किया इरादा पक्का. So let me make my irada pakka that I have to do something different which nobody else has done before. This is what sanitizing the self is. Others are coming late. I also come late. No, this is not a good idea. What is the good idea? Because I am always before time, so let me become inspiration for others. You know Dr. Sridharan? Madam Srestha? You become serious again and again, so I have to ask you, please smile. Do you know Srestha ji, who is Dr. Sridharan? Yes, please. मैडम श्रेष्ठा ना जी? मैडम कुछ बोलते नहीं, आज मौन है आपका. अरे कुछ तो बोलिए, क्या मेरी तुक्का भी तीर लग जाता है, कुछ बोल दीजिए. You don't know? Okay, let me ask someone else. Okay, he is a metro man, very good. So I am visiting faculty of Delhi Metro Rail Corporation for many years now. I asked Sridharan Saab, how come all the projects of DMRC are ahead of schedule? He said, Piyush ji, my office time is morning 9:30, but I always reach my office at 9:25, that's all. Okay, friends? So if I want to make EIL a Vishwaratna, what I have to do? I have to become an example before others. Okay? And that example I myself have to set. You may not believe I am in Brahma Kumaris. I am not paid here. Nobody is paid here. And in Mount Abu, at one time, there may be a gathering of 25,000 people. How many people? 25,000 people, and they need a breakfast at 8 o'clock. So can you imagine those who have to prepare the breakfast, what time they have to get up? Can you imagine? Yes, who would like to answer? 3 o'clock? Okay, very good. So you may not believe, many a times this has happened that by 8 o'clock breakfast is ready, but the team who prepared the breakfast Nobody was there to monitor them. Nobody was there to guide them. Nobody was there to supervise them. And above all, none of them is paid. So how come this miracle has happened? Who would tell me? Because everybody in Mount Abu, everybody in Brahma Kumari says, my Brahma Kumaris, my organization. No, it's a community kitchen.
They're basically all are self-disciplined.
Okay, so can I have the same amount of discipline in my organization that is called EIL? Yes or no? Can I say EIL is the best organization in the world? नहीं, हल्की सी आवाज आती है, कहते बोल देंगे नहीं, पहले मैं बोलूंगा फिर आपको मेरे साथ बोलना है. दिस इज व्हाट सैनिटाइजिंग द सेल्फ इज. EIL is the best organization. प्लीज कम अप. नहीं, खाना नहीं खाया, हफ्ते से खाना नहीं खाया, ऐसी आवाज आ रही है, मजा नहीं आया. देयर इज नो स्माइल ऑन द फेस. Only one person is saying, what about others? Okay, and it's not because I am saying you have to believe this, that's all. Company can, in 1 year's time, EIL can become Vishwaratna, friends. The only thing is, I have to believe in myself. Okay? So let me say once again, EIL is the best organization in the world. Okay? I am the best. नहीं, there's no smile on the face. Okay? I am the best. Okay? My boss is the best. नहीं, थोड़ी आवाज कम हो गई, कुछ गड़बड़ी है. श्रेष्ठा जी. ओके, श्रेष्ठा जी, बॉस इतना तंग करता है, कहां से कहेंगे बेस्ट है ऐसे? नहीं, बड़े भारी मन से बोल रही है, मुस्कुराहट भी नहीं है चेहरे पर. ओके फ्रेंड्स, so this is not hypothetical, this is real. Let me tell you, if you send positive energy to your boss, what do you get in return? Positive. And positive becomes 1 plus 1 is not 2, it's 11, friends. 1 plus 1 is not 2, it's 11. Okay? Okay? My spouse is the best.
Yes.
देखो, कोई नहीं बोलता है.
Yes.
No, nobody is saying. Okay? My spouse is the best.
My spouse is the best.
Yes,
धीरे
my
धीरे
spouse
बोल
is
रहे
the
हैं.
best.
कहते पीयूष जी,
Yes, sir.
पीयूष जी पीछे पड़ गए, बोलना पड़ेगा, क्या करेंगे अभी? No. Okay? Always see qualities in your boss, in your spouse, in your colleagues, in your neighbor. Only then you can rise. This is what sanitizing the self is. Always see qualities in others. Okay? नजरें बदलो,
Okay, sir.
नजरें बदलो तो नज़ारे बदल जाएंगे. नजरें बदलो तो नज़ारे बदल जाएंगे, और सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाएंगे. ओके?
क्या बात है, sir. Oh,
Okay?
बेहतरीन sir, बेहतरीन. बेहतरीन,
Okay?
sir.
So friends, for 1
Okay.
week, what we are going to do? Always get up early in the morning. No gadgets. Talk to yourself. Create high energy. Recharge yourself here and observe silence. The less you talk, the more you are listened to. Medical science says maximum loss of energy takes place when you talk. God has given me 2 ears and only one mouth. What is the learning? 2 ears, only one mouth. What is the learning? Talk less and listen more, but what do I do? That is the problem. इसलिए EIL महारत्ना और विश्वरत्ना नहीं बन रही है. इसलिए पत्नी से झगड़ा होता है क्योंकि मैंने कभी पत्नी की बात सुनी नहीं, मैंने कभी कलीग्स की बात सुनी नहीं. सो आज से आई हैव टू लिसन. दैट इज द ओनली प्रॉब्लम. आई एम ए काउंसलर ऑल्सो. सो मैनी पेरेंट्स दे कम टू मी. बच्चे सुनते नहीं, फिर बच्चे कहते हैं सर पेरेंट्स नहीं सुनते. प्रॉब्लम. ओके, तो टुडे ऑनवर्ड्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू, लेट मी लिसन. ओके, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट माई होम एंड माई ऑफिस नो एंगर जोन. पॉसिबल? श्रेष्ठा जी, पॉसिबल? नो एंगर जोन. श्रेष्ठा जी, कैन यू हियर मी? श्रेष्ठा जी, एंगर, प्लीज म्यूट योर सेल्फ. श्रेष्ठा जी, एंगर, if I prefix D, it becomes. आपसे पूछा नहीं. नो इनडिसिप्लिन प्लीज. आप श्रेष्ठा जी नहीं है. Anger, if I prefix D into it, it becomes danger. Yes or no? Yes or no? So if danger, if anger comes, somebody tries to provoke me, I will remind myself I am in danger zone. No anger. And I will make my office, my home, smiling zone. I would smile. Okay? Come what may. Problems come, problems go. But my smile should never ever go away from me. बहारों से गुजरा हूं और गुजरा हूं पस्ती से. बहारें मीन्स गुड टाइम, पस्ती मीन्स बैड टाइम. प्लीज पे अटेंशन. बहारों से गुजरा हूं और गुजरा हूं पस्ती से, लेकिन जहां से भी गुजरा हूं मस्ती से. ओके? ओके फ्रेंड्स, this is what sanitizing the self is. Okay, so let us meditate for 5 minutes now. Sit straight. No noise at this point of time, please. No noise. Sit straight. Your backbone should be straight at this point of time. Your neck should be straight. Okay? You can keep your eyes closed, but don't fall asleep. Right? Okay? Have deep breathing thrice. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me withdraw from the outer world and take a journey inward and upward. This body is like hardware and I am its software. My mind, intellect, sanskar, everything is under my control now. Now, let me take my dhyan towards my legs. My legs are okay. My legs are relaxed. Now, I take my consciousness towards my arms. My arms are also okay. My arms are relaxed. My head is also okay, and I feel relaxed. Now, let me concentrate on the center of my forehead, in between my two eyebrows. The place is known as Brakuti. I am a soul. S-O-U-L means subject of universal love. I am a pure soul, positive soul, peaceful soul, powerful soul. I am spreading positive vibrations all around me. The surroundings have become soothing. The environment has become pleasant. I'm enjoying these moments. I'm totally relaxed. Meditation is art of living. Meditation is sanitizing the self. Meditation is de-stressing the self. Meditation harmonizes my relationships. Meditation is positive thinking. So let me meditate daily. This is need of the hour, call of the time. Om Shanti. 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 Thank you very much, friends. I hope you enjoyed the program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Queries, if any? You want to ask me anything?
सर आपका नंबर मेरे पास था वो एक्चुअली मिस हो गया है
जी, अभी लिख लें 98686
एक सेकंड सर 98686
575
575
44.
44
दूसरा नंबर लिख लें
एक सेकंड सर
98103 98103 75650.
सर दोनों नंबर दोबारा बताएंगे
98103
हाँ
75650.
756 75650 जी
9810375650 98686
98686
575
575
44। हमारा यूट्यूब चैनल भी है, नोट कर लें प्लीज, बीके पीयूष।
बीके पीयूष।
बस बीके पीयूष पर आप जाएंगे तो बहुत सारे वीडियोज, बहुत सारे ऑडियोज आपको वहां मिलेंगे जो हमारी लाइफ से जुड़े हुए हैं। आप उस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें तो जो भी हमारे नए प्रोग्राम्स होंगे वो आपको मिलते रहेंगे। प्लीज, यू वांट टू आस्क मी एनीथिंग? बीके पीयूष चैनल का नाम है, यूट्यूब चैनल, यूट्यूब। बीके पीयूष इज यूट्यूब चैनल। या यू वांट टू आस्क मी एनीथिंग? चैट बॉक्स में नंबर और चैनल का नाम दे दिया है, प्लीज यू कैन मेक ए नोट ऑफ इट। बिफोर आई call it a day, you want to ask me anything, please? Otherwise, I would ask you. Okay, let me ask you. Deepika, when? नाम बताओ. Let me ask you. जी. Mr. Harsh Vijay. Harsh Vijay. यस। कौन? अमित दास। अमित दास, प्लीज पुट योर वीडियो ऑन। मिस्टर दास। नीलू। Murgsen, good morning. So, I want to ask you, what is the takeaway of this seminar, please?
It was quite informative, quite useful. So I'll definitely implement from today onward. Now itself we'll start implementing it in my office at my home. Definitely it will give me a very good beginning to have an enjoyable life. Lot of learnings from this. Thank you very much.
You want to have my pleasure. Okay, YouTube channel link has also been sent to you in the chat box. Your next person, Deepika, when? Next to Murugesan ji. K. Suresh. Mr. Suresh, good morning. Mr. Lakshman, good morning. Mr. Lakshman, what is the takeaway for you?
Sir, actually, I just joined it late, sir. Just to say, I cannot attend fully. Next session, I will attend fully, sir.
Okay, meditation, what is your experience?
I just joined at the end of the it was very good, sir. I could not fully visualize it.
Okay.
Maybe before, I will practice, sir. I will learn from our friends.
Okay, no problem. Next. Mr. Rajesh. Mr. Rajesh Thul. Okay. A026. Yes, please. What is takeaway for you? Please unmute yourself, please.
Oh, sorry. Sir, आज का सेशन बेहतरीन रहा और वो सीखने को मिला कि हमें प्रेजेंट में रहना है और सुबह उठकर मेडिटेट करना है।
वेरी गुड। आप ऐसे सेमिनार साल में कितने बारी चाहते हैं?
बट मैं तो मतलब ऑलमोस्ट रोज ही पुस्तक चाहता हूँ सर, और मतलब मोटिवेशन बना रहना चाहिए सर।
1 महीने में 1 बारी या 3 महीने में 1 बारी?
सर 1 महीने में 1 बार तो होनी चाहिए सर।
Okay, very good. Congratulations. Thank you. Keep smiling. Thank you, Mr. Yadav. चमन में फूल यूं ही खिलते रहेंगे और जिंदगी हुई तो फिर मिलेंगे.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Bye.
Thanks a lot, participant also for joining us, and over to you, thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Om Shanti.
Om Shanti.